And welcome to this particular video. Very quickly, let's talk about the latest update as regards the grass airdrop. All right, so as we all know that the grass airdrop is ending very soon and people are actually packing points massively. So if you haven't yet started with grass airdrop, you are not really late yet. You can still get started today. I'll be leaving the link right there on the video description box. So we also have a Telegram channel where we drop daily updates about crypto, how you can make money, how to survive in the crypto space. We drop updates daily about airdrop and stuff like that. I will be leaving the link also right there on the video description box. So right now, talking about the latest updates as regards the grass airdrop, there's nothing much, but I think we are about to get paid for training AI in our native language. All right, so we are going to be talking about that on this particular video. The video is going to be very short and we are going to be going straight to the point. But before we do that, guys, if you are new to our channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly look below the video you're watching right now. Click on the subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon that will be appearing. Select all so that whenever I post new video, you will get to know about it. Like the video, drop an interesting comment, and with that being done, you are good to go. So talking about the latest updates as regards the grass airdrop, there was actually a tweet that grabbed my attention and I think it was sharing with you guys. All right, so over here, this is Andrew J, and he's of course the he's making data accessible on grass, and of course he's the co-founder Winslab AI. All right, so over here he is one of the grass team, very foundational, and of course right here, this was the tweet that he dropped about 3 days ago. Now he said right here, we are evaluating a human data opportunity. If you run a grass node, would you record a conversation in your native language in exchange for immediate reward? Listen, there's what he said right here, which I needed to take note of. He said something right here, immediate reward. All right, that means that when they kicks off with this, if they eventually kick off with it, you are going to be getting rewarded immediately. You actually exchange conversation in your native language. All right, so over here, guys, this is another thing right here. He said getting this question a lot, and finally he then answered the question. He said yes, probably in USDC, meaning that very soon we are going to be getting paid immediately when we actually train AI in our native language. If you listen closely, he said right here, if you run a grass node, would you record a conversation in your native language in exchange for immediate reward? This is actually a question that was thrown to him. That is a question that they have been receiving so many times, and right now he went ahead to address it. And addressing it, he said that they are getting this question so many times, and finally he answers saying yes, probably in USDC. Now what does this mean? This means that they are gonna be very soon they are going to be paying users when they actually train AI on the using their native language. This feature is not yet live, but for the fact that he has actually addressed it right here, very soon we are going to be getting paid when we exchange conversation with AI. This is something that is I think is happening with Silencio, and of course if you are onto Silencio, you should be familiar with this, where you train AI model, and of course you get rewarded for that. I think very soon we are going to be having the same thing on grass airdrop. All right, so of course the feature is not yet live, but very soon I believe it's going to be going live, since the answer to it is yes. And of course, one of the most interesting thing is that we are going to be getting paid real time immediately in USDC. Also, do not joke with your mining. If you haven't yet started mining yet, go ahead. A lot of you out there have stopped mining or farming grass airdrop. Go right now, start farming grass airdrop. It's going to be paying massively. All right, so and of course this is the latest updates right now about grass airdrop. Do well to join our Telegram if you haven't done that yet, so that whenever we drop any new update, you will get to know about it immediately. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very soon.